Did you see my... Oh, wow, looks like I didn't put enough there. Okay. So I might have to do one side first and then work my way in to another side. It's really easy though. You just want to make sure that the connection is solid, no moving parts, and even if you have the best soldering job ever, if you don't, if you put the components in the wrong spot, doesn't matter how good the soldering job it is that you did, because it's not going to work. At least with the heat sink.